Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on creating a quiz in Jotform. Quizzes can be used for training, assessments, or lead engagement. So first you will open your Jotform, and once you're here, you will click this button right here, which is create, and then you will click form, and then you can either start from scratch or you can just go ahead and use a template. So just search for example, we can search for quiz form. So just go ahead and look for it. So for example, so if you cannot see a quiz form, you can just make one yourself. So for example, this one right here, quiz form for Kartra, that could work as well. So what you will do is you will just have to add questions like multiple choice or short answer or whatsoever. So you can just edit all this out, and you will just have to set correct answers, and then you will assign points, and then you can just go ahead and customize the results page, which is right here. So you'll just go look for that because some layout may be different, so your layout may look a bit different. So make sure to explore all that and go ahead and look for the results page. Then you will send email notifications if desired as well, by the way. And yeah, that's basically it. And if you're ready with your template, you can just go ahead and save it, and then you can also share the link or embed your website. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.